Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to remove scroll lock in Excel. So what does the scroll lock do? Well, you can see that the cursor is in the A column. Let's keep it in just below the home tab. Now if I try to go to cell B2 from the active cell or cell B1 from the active cell A1 using the arrow keys, I can't do that because it is not letting me to do so. If I try to go to cell A2 using the down arrow key, I still can do that. Okay, so why is that? It is because the scroll lock is on. Where to find that out? Well, you can go to the bottom of the screen or bottom of the Excel window and right click on it. This is called the status bar, and right click on it, you will see all the status. Okay, so here the scroll lock says is 1. That is why we can't do that. If you click on it, the status will be shown at the bottom. Okay, but unchecking it will not disable the scroll lock. Okay, so keep this in mind. Now how to remove the scroll lock? Well, you can use keyboard shortcuts. For example, for some PCs it works with Fn or the function activator key. So Fn plus C or Fn plus S, or for some PCs Fn plus K also works. Okay, so you need to find out which one is working for your PC, and to find that out you can go to your PC's manufacturer websites. Okay, and for the Mac users it is more often the F14 function key. Okay, or sometimes the command plus uh, F14 key, or uh, the shift plus F14 key. Okay, so sometimes it is shift plus F14, sometimes it is command plus F14, or sometimes it is just F14. So try the options out. Okay, but even if you can't find those shortcut keys, there is another way to do that. For Windows users, you can hold the Windows logo and control key together and then press O. Okay, and you will see the virtual keyboard pop up. Okay, in the virtual keyboard you will find out the is scroll lock key. Okay, you can also try to find this key on your actual keyboard or physical keyboard. If you do not find that, then you can use this virtual keyboard. Okay, now if you click on the scroll lock, then it will be disabled. Now, okay, if you try to move around the cells using the arrow keys, you can do this easily. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.